Hey, what's up guys? Tyler here with Secureteam. For the past couple of days, I've been working on a much longer video, which I'm actually going to put out tomorrow because this new piece of footage came up and I kind of just wanted to make a standalone video for this, but stay tuned because tomorrow at around 2 or so p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to be releasing a new video featuring a ton of new, strange, and unexplained UFO footage, along with many other things as well, so be sure to look out for that. But before we go any further, today I want to talk about this piece of footage. And before we start it, I want you guys to know that this happening, as I've called it, took place just north of Bogota, Colombia, where a man on his balcony began noticing a formation of red lights that seemed to be under some sort of artificial control that were later being investigated by helicopters flying above. Now, it's around a 3-minute video, but watch the entire thing, soak in the strangeness about this footage, and we'll talk more in just a second.
Solim Salah Ra
Okay, so how is that for strange? Now the video starts out, we're seeing this all shot from a balcony. Across the street we see another home, and the roof above the home, and behind that, way in the background, we see this formation of what appears to be 4 lights, although you can kind of see a faint 5th light right up here at the top. And whatever they are, They seem to be, in my opinion, under intelligent control, because this isn't your typical Chinese lanterns or flares that just sort of float through the sky or just kind of sit there and slowly move towards the ground. These things just sit there, and as time goes by, you may see one light disappear up top and then suddenly reappear down below, and then another light, almost as if it's changing its formation. Then we have another light, vanishes, leaving us with just 3 lights at one point, only to come back seconds later, but it never breaks the sort of square formation. They stay close together. And as you speed up the footage, you'll know that these lights, while they're sitting in formation, are actually slowly moving upward, not down. And at around the 2-minute 50-second point of this video, as these lights are moving up, you'll notice that that 5th faint light that I was talking about, well, it begins to break off, where it then heads straight up into the sky, and just as it does that, the videographer begins hearing the growing sound of helicopter chopper blades speeding in, and that is when he pans up to see exactly that. Then slowly panning back down to the UFO as if to see, well, is something going to happen here? Is the UFO going to react to these choppers coming overhead? Because there was actually another one as well that came before the video began, and that's when he started recording. But notice here, just as the chopper goes by, these lights suddenly begin moving to the west. They break this tight formation. We have this 5th light still in the lead, almost like a leader to the lights, and these other 4 slowly moving with it, tagging behind. And that is at the time where the phone of the videographer actually cuts off. Now, I don't know if this is due to battery or if this had something to do with the UFOs themselves, but we do know that the camera mysteriously went dark, which, if you guys have followed the channel, you'll know this has happened many times. This is commonplace for many people when they are recording these unexplained objects in the sky. Their phones, even on full battery power, having been fully charged the night before, the batteries will just start to drain and be totally powerless within seconds before finally shutting off as they are attempting to record these things. So there you guys have it. North of Bogota, Colombia, a very strange formation of lights sitting in the sky that seems to react as the choppers overhead are floating over, checking it out, as the viewer stated that they were. So, last words from me here, well, I think something very strange has just happened in Colombia. The military knows about it, they're checking it out, and hopefully we can get some more footage of these things. Again, this just happened, it was just sent to me, so keep an eye out. If I have more footage or information, I will definitely post it in a follow-up video. So stay tuned for that, and as I said, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to have a whole list of UFO footage from all around the world. Some very impressive and mysterious stuff. So make sure that not only are you subscribed, but that you have that notification bell icon clicked. So do that. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, where I constantly post updates as to when new videos are coming. You guys have a great rest of your night. I appreciate you all. Insomnia Team, almost to 2 million subscribers, and hopefully we can get there before the next week or two is out. So stay safe, guys, and we'll see you back in just a bit.